Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you some tips for using the DSM-5 online. The DSM-5 is available online through the library website. Indiana Tech provides access to the paid DSM-5 subscription for our students. In order to avoid locked or restricted content, you must access the DSM-5 through the library's website, rather than using a Google search or links from another web page. On the library's homepage, library.indianatech.edu, scroll down to our database shortcuts. Here you will see an icon for the DSM-5. Click this icon to enter the home page for the DSM-5 online. On the landing page, you will see the DSM-5's full title, its DOI, and a button that says Open. Click Open to view the full text of the DSM-5 in a PDF viewer. From here you have access to the full DSM-5. You can click the Outline button in the toolbar on the left-hand side to view the table of contents. The DSM-5 is organized by classifying disorders into large groups. Select one of these groupings from Section 2, Diagnostic Criteria and Codes, to view disorders in that category and information about their prevalence, prognosis, and diagnostic criteria. You may also use the search bar in the upper right to search for specific disorders directly. To download a copy of the DSM-5, simply click the blue Download button in the upper right toolbar. When citing the DSM-5 for your assignments, please use the citation information found on the book's copyright page. This information is also available under the Details section in the left-hand toolbar. If you have any additional questions about using the DSM-5 online, please reach out to a librarian for further assistance. We're always happy to help our students.